Oh, hey! Welcome back. A beginner's guide to guided meditation isn't going to be like a lesson plan for learning basic physics. Trust us. This isn't hard to learn. And the emphasis, in fact, is on practicing. That's the first important lesson to guided meditation. You must continue practicing. So, while I give a few instructional lessons, you get relaxed. Let's make sure to have all electronic devices, or anything that could possibly be a distraction, have them turned off. You'll also want a blanket or jacket nearby just in case. When we meditate, our body temperature also drops. So if you need an additional minute, pause the video for a minute to turn everything off and grab what you need. Ready? Okay. Let's start by sitting in a chair, or if you're comfortable doing so, sit relaxed on the floor. Let's put one wrist facing palm up on your left thigh, and do the same with the right hand. And breathe in through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. With guided meditation, you won't require anything special, just a place and a time. Do you have a favorite place that helps you relax? And what time works best for you? Mornings? Evenings? For the first little while practicing, you will have much more success when you establish a pattern. Let's try another deep breath. Once again, in through the nose. But this time, hold your breath for a count of 3. And relax. Another of the basic principles to guided meditation is learning proper posture. So, guided meditation isn't just about de-stressing and breathing. You'll also gain a stronger core from being conscious about how you sit. For example, make sure your chest is out, shoulders are back. You should have a slight arch in your lower back. Let's try another deep breath in. Hold for a count of 3. And release. So when we begin a guided meditation, the first step of 5 steps is to have an intention. What does that mean? Well, simply, we'll have a method to our madness. Are you intending to relax and let the stress melt away? Perhaps you're wanting to visualize an action or an exercise. Or maybe you have tension in your shoulders and you'd like some time to work that out. Regardless, the intention is the first step in a guided meditation. Again, let's breathe in and hold for a count of 3. And as you're doing that, find the tension in your body and concentrate on it as you exhale. Now let's concentrate on that tension again. This time, breathe in as if you're pulling in energy that you plan to direct by exhaling, letting all of that energy go towards that tense area. Feel that tension warm. Feel it tingle. Breathe in, and again exhale and feel the tension release. Feel it ebb away. Breathe in, and again exhale, and feel the last of the tension float apart from you. It will eventually move away. In the meantime, breathe in. Hold for 3. And release. We've just practiced both steps 2 and 3, which is to relax the body and then to focus on signals coming from the body. When we focus our mind on meditating, we slow down the pulse rate and begin to relax. At this point, we can sense much clearer the signals from the body that tell us where stress is building up and where we need to focus our attention on releasing tension. Breathe in. Hold for a count of 3. And release. Step 4 is to ask yourself, is there a part of my body trying to signal me? Pay close attention at this point by focusing your mind to yourself, nothing else. We will breathe in, hold for 3, and release. Finally, step 5 in a guided meditation is simply to do. Practice makes perfect. In fact, it is said that 10,000 hours is all that is needed to master any technique. In meditation sessions, we sometimes refer to this mastery as counting or counting technique. The counting technique meditation principle works on focusing the mind on a number, counting to and back from 100, without losing your train of thought. It's a feat that cannot be mastered without practice. And for those of you ready for that challenge, you can use our counting meditation session to guide you on how to count properly, and then utilize our 30 minutes meditation soundtrack to count along to. Now that we've gone through our guided meditation practice technique, let's begin to wiggle our fingers and toes, eventually moving the body limbs, slowly letting awareness come to all parts of our body and mind. And when you're ready, open your eyes and greet the day. So you're still feeling a little tight, and you'd like to spend more time contemplating the universe in a meditative fashion. We happen to have a plethora of meditation sessions produced and ready for you. We even have meditation sessions to help you fall asleep, like this one. Give it a try, doze off, and let us know how it worked in the comments section below.